when you do commit yourself to things, realize that even if in the moment you're going to have your like doubts and emotions and stuff,
Mhm.
take a bigger sample size than one day before you make decisions on your long-term commitments, because where I can get bad at that is I'm very good at rationalizing and making things like finding very good logic to things in my head. So let's like say yesterday when I was just exhausted, overwhelmed, anxious, had 1,000 things to do and not enough time, it was like there was a lot of thoughts like I just need to cut stuff off my plate, like looking for immediate solutions, and just like I was just like in full kind of like panic mode. But
Mhm.
what I realized like this morning after I was just feeling better and I was able to just take some baby steps on what I need to do yesterday
Mhm.
is just moving the ball forward even just a little bit. That made me feel more confident. I'm like, okay, even though I'm not as far today as I wish I was,
Mhm.
at least I'm now a couple steps further along, and just getting like a good night's sleep. I think it was Tim Ferriss has a line, something, I'm butchering it and I'm paraphrasing and adding my own twist probably, but
Mhm.
something to do is like most of the time your problem isn't what you think the problem is. It really just comes down to like needing to eat healthy food and get some sleep. Like try that first before you go rearranging your whole life.
Mhm.
And that was kind of like what I went through like this morning where I'm like, okay, move forward a little bit. I got some sleep. Hey, do I still have a lot of stuff I need to get done? Is it still things going to like, is things still going to be like tight and there's going to be some like pain that I'll have to feel? Yes. But you know what? At least I'm in like a sound mind right now. I know that my like emotions aren't going to bleed into just how I project into the world. And it's like things will be okay. We'll take it one day at a time.